In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your liked videos from your profile on TikTok so no one else can see it except you. So once you have TikTok open, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. And now you can see your posts. And if you tap on the second option right in the middle, that little heart icon, if you tap on that, that's going to show you your liked videos that you've liked. But if you only want yourself to see this, what you need to do is tap on the three vertical dots at the top right of that page. Then you want to tap on privacy. Under account is the second option. And now you want to scroll down underneath safety. You just want to scroll down to where it says who can view your liked videos. It's kind of in the middle of the screen. Tap on that. And then you want to select only me. The other option is everyone, and everyone will be able to see your liked videos if you select everyone. But if you want only you, tap on only me. So that is how you disable your liked videos on TikTok. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.